Good morning, my lovely students. Really miss you so much. Let's complete our exercise about the law of exponents. We've covered yesterday part of a worksheet, and let's continue the rest of this worksheet. Let me check. Wait. We finished this one, and we're gonna starting from number 17. Please, can you please bring a piece of paper and a pen so you can be able to answer with me, or write down the answers with me, and then you can redo this exercise again, so you will know the answers. Now number 17, it's simplified. The question is simplified. 2k to the power of 3 times, this dot means times, k power of 2 over k to the power of negative 3. So 2 is the same. There is nothing I can multiply or divide by 2, so I will put it as it is. So the answer, the first thing in the answer is 2. Then here k power of 3 times k power of 2. In multiplying the same base, I just add the powers as we know. So it's k power of 5, 2k power of 5 over k power negative 3. Type in dividing power having the same base, I subtract. Type here k power 5 minus, I subtract because I subtract, minus negative 3. 5 minus negative 3. 5 minus negative 3 minus it becomes positive, as if I'm saying 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. The answer will be 2k to the power of 8. 2k to the power of 8. Okay? Is it clear? Okay, let's move to number 18. X power of negative 3 all power of 4. X power of 4 over 2x power negative 3. Type. Here I have to distribute the powers here in the bracket. Negative 3, a power over a power, we agreed that we're gonna multiply. So as if I'm saying x power negative 3 times 4, it's x power negative 12. X power negative 12 times x power 4. As long as there is no here operation sign, so it means that they are multiplied together. As if I'm saying x power negative 12 times x power 4. In multiplying powers having the same base, x power negative 12 times x power of 4. Here I multiply I multiply two bases. In multiplying of two bases, I add the powers. As if I'm saying negative 12 plus 4. Negative 12 plus 4. Same sign or different signs? Yes, they have different signs, so I have to subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. Negative 12 plus 4, it means negative 8. X power negative 8. Here 2, it will be the same over 2 because there is nothing here I can multiply or divide by 2, so I will leave 2 as it is. My only concern here in this problem is the x's. X power negative 3, here I have x power negative 8 over x power negative 3. X power negative 8 over x power negative 3. In dividing having the same base, I subtract the powers, as if I'm saying negative 8 minus negative 3. Negative 8 minus negative 3, x power negative 8 minus negative 3. Minus becomes positive. As if I'm saying x power negative 8 plus 3. Do they have the same sign or different signs? They have different signs, so I will subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. Negative 8 plus 3 gives me negative 5. As if I'm saying negative x power negative 5 over 2. Over 2, because 2, it has nothing to do, I will keep it as it is. As we agreed before, I cannot leave a negative power, so I will put it down in I will write its reciprocate. So as if I'm saying 1 over 2x power 5. 1 over 2x power 5. Okay, here number 19. 2x all power negative 4 يعني 2 power 1 x power 1 all power negative 4 over x power negative 1 times x. يعني here I will distribute this power over 2 one time and x one time. As if I'm saying 2 power negative 4 x power negative 4. 2 power negative 4 x power negative 4. تمام؟ يبقى كده I distributed the power over the bracket. طيب what about down? X power negative 1 times x power 1. In multiplying I add the power as if I'm saying negative 1 plus 1. Negative 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. يعني x power of 0. Negative 1 plus 1 gives me x to the power of 0, which is 1. يعني my answer here is 2 power negative 4 x power negative 4. 2 power negative 4 x power negative 4. But at the same time I cannot leave a negative power, so I will write the reciprocal as if I'm saying 1 over 2 power 4 x power 4. Understood? Is it clear? يعني I will write the reciprocal of the 2 power negative 4 x power negative 4, so I have to write its reciprocal. يعني it means 1 over 2 power 4 x power 4. Okay, let's go for number 20. It seems complicated, but when we solve it it's gonna be very easy. Let's go step by step. Most important thing, you have to make step by step in order not to get distracted. Here, first thing, I have to open this bracket. I have to distribute this power over all the terms inside the bracket. يعني 2 power 1 x power 3 z power 2 all power of 3. يعني it means 2 power 1 times 3 يعني 2 power 3 x power 9 z power 6. 2 power 3 x power 9 z power 6. okay كده I finished the numerator. What about the denominator? X power 3 y power 4 z power 2 times x power negative 4 z power 3. طيب in the denominator في multiplication, there is multiplication, يعني I will add the powers having the same base first. طيب here x power 3 و x power negative 4 multiply together, يعني I will add the powers as if I'm saying 3 plus negative 4 same sign or different signs. لا, different signs, so I will add, so I will subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. يعني it means x power negative 1 x power negative 1. okay, y, do I have any other y's? لا, no, so I will put y power 4 as it is. طيب z power 2 times z power 3 multiply having the same base, I will add the power. 2 plus 3 equals 5. يعني when I solve this, it means 2 power 3 x power 9 z power 6 over x power negative 1 y power 4 z power 5. But I cannot keep it like this. I have to collect or to see the relation between the same base. okay, here I have x power 9 and x power negative 1. X power 9 over x power negative 1, right? X power 9 over x power negative 1. In dividing the power having the same base, I subtract as if I'm saying x power 9 minus negative 1. 9 minus negative 1, it means 9 plus 1. يعني the answer first, I will keep 2 power 3 as it is in the numerator. 2 power 3 x power 10 بقى، لأن 9 minus negative 1 بتصير 10. So x power 10. طيب I have z also in the numerator and denominator. Z power 6 over z power 5. I subtract both powers. 6 minus 5 gives me 1. يعني 2 power 3 x power 10 z power 1 over y power 4, because y power 4 in the denominator and there is no other y's, so I will keep it in the denominator as it is. I will not touch it. يبقى the answer again will be 2 power 3 x power 10 z over y power 4 over y power 4. Okay, let's go for number 21. 2 pm negative 1 q 0 all power of negative 4 times 2m power negative 1 p power 3 over 2pq squared or power 2. Type here again, I will do the same thing, I will do the same process. Don't panic if you see the problem long or complicated. It's easy, you will see everything will be easy. Step by step, just go step by step. First thing, I will open this bracket. I will expand or distribute this power over all the terms inside the bracket. يعني 2 power 1 times negative 4 هتبقى 2 power negative 4 p power negative 4 m power 4. ليه بقى m power 4? Because negative 1 times negative 4, negative times negative equals positive. So m power negative 1 times negative 4 equals m power 4. q power 0 is 1. So خلاص. يعني the first bracket will be 2 power negative 4 p power negative 4 m power 4. See, it's very easy. And q power 0, we agreed that anything to the power of 0 gives me 1. فخلاص. Times 2m power negative 1 p power 3 over 2pq square. خلاص. Let's collect the like terms. Here. طيب. Let's see first. 2 power negative 4 times 2 power 1. 2 power negative 4 times 2 power of 1 over 2. يعني 2 power negative 4 times 2 power 1 over 2 power 1. 2 will go with the 2. The remainder will be 2 power negative 4. يعني 2 power negative 4 times 2 over 2. يعني الأول first collect the numbers. 2 power negative 4 times 2 over 2. This 2 will be crossed with this 2. The remainder will be 2 power negative 4. ادي أول answer. ادي أول term أنا حليته. طيب what else? p power negative 4 times p power 3 over p power 1. يعني الأول p power negative 4 times p power 3. negative 4 plus 3 negative 1. صح. negative 1 وhere it's 1 right. 1 I will يعني negative 1 minus 1 because this will go up. divide يبقى p power again p power negative 4 times p power 3. negative 4 plus in multiplying I add negative 4 times plus 3 negative 1. طيب I have p in the divide يعني p power negative 1 divide by p power 1. negative 1 minus 1 gives me negative 2. يبقى هنا تاني again يبقى the answer first 2 power negative 4 p power negative 2. p power negative 2. طيب do I have any other m? Yes, m power 4 و m power negative 1. m power 4 multiplying يبقى 4 minus 1 m power 3. مفيش تحت, there is no in the denominator m. يبقى again the answer 2 power negative 4 p power negative 2 m power 3. m power 3 will q power 2 أصلا in the denominator, there is no other q in the numerator. يبقى again 2 power negative 4 p power negative 2 m power 3 over q power 2. But I have two negative powers, I cannot leave them in the numerator. I have to write the reciprocal. يبقى ايه؟ يبقى احطهم تحت beside the q power 2. يبقى what is the remainder up? m power 3. m power 3 over 2 power 4 p power 2 q power 2. Okay, we're gonna stop here. We're gonna stop until this problem, and tomorrow inshallah let me re-explain number 21 and continue with 22 because I don't want you to get mixed up. I will continue again tomorrow with number 21 and continue our exercises because I want to do it again with you in order not to get distracted or mixed up. Okay, let's finish our session for today here. Inshallah, we will continue tomorrow. Have a good day. Take care of yourself.